One question that comes up often is, what is the difference between GMPs and CCP? Understanding this difference is critical for building an effective food safety system. Hi, I'm Felicia Liu, your food safety consultant, helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. GMPs are the basic conditions and practices that create a safe food production environment. They cover things like hygiene, sanitation, facility controls, training, and maintenance. CCP focuses on identifying specific food safety hazards and controlling them at key points in your process. GMPs support CCP. Without strong GMPs, CCP plans do not work as intended. Inspectors expect to see both in place and working together. The takeaway is simple. GMPs are the foundation, and CCP builds on that foundation. We are happy to help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.